Hello friends, welcome to Edupedia word videos. In this video, we'll be learning Converse of Pythagoras Theorem and its proof. So the statement of converse says that if the square of one side of a triangle is equal to the sum of square of the other two sides, the angle opposite to first side is a right angle. Let us first discuss the statement. If in a triangle the square of one side, that is square here we have taken of the side PR, is equal to the sum of square of the other two sides. The other two sides are PQ and QR and their square and their sum of their square. If this condition holds, that is square of one side is equal to the sum of square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side, now the first side we have taken as PR, so the angle opposite to this side is angle Q, is a right angle. That is, angle Q is a right angle, and by right angle V means 90-degree angle. So let us now go for proof of this theorem. For proof, we'll be using another right angle triangle with two of its sides equal to the sides of the given triangle. We'll be using this given statement, let it be 1, to prove that the only triangle possible by this statement is a right triangle. So we are given the statement, we need to prove that angle Q is 90 degree, and for proof first we need some construction. A right triangle STU, right angled at T, such that the side ST is equal to PQ and TU is equal to QR. Let us construct this triangle. Triangle STU, right angled at T, and PQ and ST are same, and TU and QR are equal. So now, since triangle STU is constructed as a right triangle, therefore Pythagoras theorem is applicable. So by the Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem said that if we have right triangle, then the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. Hypotenuse here is SU, and we can take this as perpendicular and this side as base. So by Pythagoras theorem we can say that ST square plus TU square is equal to SU square. Let this be equation 4 and these two be equation 2 and 3 respectively. Now if we look at second and third, ST and TU are equal to PQ and QR respectively. So substitute 2 and 3 in equation number 4. We will have PQ square plus QR square is equal to SU square. But from 1, PQ square plus QR square is nothing but PR square. So from equation 1, we will have PR square is equal to SU square, which will imply that PR is equal to plus minus SU. But my dear friends, this open up two cases, that either PR is equal to positive of SU or minus of SU. But length, since SU is a length, that is, it may be in 2 units, 3 units, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and so on. This length can never be negative. So reject the negative value. We have PR as SU only. Now if we look at the two triangles PQR and triangle STU, from equation 2 and 3 we can say that PQ of this triangle is equal to ST of this triangle, and QR of this triangle is equal to TU from 2 and 3. And from this proved part we can say that PR is equal to SU. So by triple S criteria we can say that triangle PQR is congruent to triangle STU. We have used here the term congruent and not similarity. So since the two triangles are congruent, so by triple S criteria we can say that triangle PQR is congruent to triangle STU. Here we have proved the two triangles as congruent, and hence their corresponding angles will be equal. Therefore angle Q is equal to angle T. Thus we can say that angle Q is 90 degree because angle T is 90 degree. Hence angle Q as 90 degree has been proved. Let us rewind what we have done in this theorem. We needed to prove that angle Q is 90 degree if this given condition holds. So we constructed a triangle similar to the first triangle such that two of the sides of this triangle was equal to the original triangle, but the constructed triangle was a 90 degree triangle. By SSS criteria we have proved that this condition is only possible when angle Q is also 90 degree. Friends, this proof was only possible because of this condition 1 given, which we have used over here on substituting PQ and QR and using PR square as these two terms, the sum of these two terms. So friends, this was the Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Thanks friends for watching Edupedia word videos.